There are not many places on Earth that have these conditions.
This is not a place for football.
I play for B67.
Oh yes, B67.
B67 stands for Ball Club. We're 8 teams here in Greenland playing in 2 different groups. And we're in the same group as our toughest rivals. We really want to retake the championships this year.
It's the last practice we have. Now we need to focus.
Medrallunga taqorlortarnikuara qaffasissumiarsartassallum taava
Asaaga qillertinerpungut
Sidemersaappiusinnaasut ikittuarsuunaat pissutigalu kalallunaanni.
The weather is unstable.
We're limited in how we can train.
You talk about the traveling. Greenland is bigger than Europe.
The flight is cancelled now.
Hvad plejer man at gøre?
Jeg har ikke oplevet det.
Så vi er spændt på, om B67 kan nå at komme til i morgen.
Vi spiller lige meget hvad. Kom, alle sammen her. Kom.
Kan vi ikke tage et håndbillede her?
Gå ind og styre det, mand. Så titter op!
If we show we can believe in our goals and dreams, the next generation, they will do the same. And then we have made something impossible possible.
It will be the best feeling to make our town proud. We will go after the gold.
It means everything.
What was that show?
Ted Lasso. Nicolai.
I need a bigger mustache.
And cut.